Meaning of dealing.
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 Dealing. The term dealing generally refers to the act of managing or handling a particular situation or problem. In various contexts, it can mean different things, such as conducting business transactions, interacting with people, or coping with challenges. The result of dealing can range from a successful outcome to a negative consequence, depending on the effectiveness of the approach taken. Ultimately, dealing requires careful consideration, adaptability, and strategic planning to achieve the desired results while minimizing any negative impact.